Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with a recently acquired Stanley number 5, and I'm thinking it looks like it is in the type 16, 17, 18. The seller on eBay listed it as lightly cleaned and sharp. Well, you know me, it's not sharp unless I say it's sharp. So the first thing I did when I got it was pop the hood, take the blade set out and apart, and sharpen the blade, strop the blade, fit the chip breaker to it or the cap iron. And so now we're getting beautiful shavings. So I guess the topic for this video is how to know what you're getting when you buy something on the internet. Yes, they list pictures. Yes, they give what is supposed to be an honest description. And yes, you can have buyer protection, etc., etc., etc. But in reality, you never really know what you get until it shows up. For instance, this is not lightly cleaned. That's highly cleaned, abraded, polished. I don't need it that shiny. The pictures of the sole did not give me any indication of the depth of the rust pit right there and all the rust pitting throughout here. Now, luckily, the reason why this plane is here is because a friend of mine needs a jack and a smoother, but they are not fine cabinet maker, furniture builder. It's going to be used for just what I call handyman type projects. So right now, this is cutting so nicely that it's more than just handyman quality. Now, I will take it completely apart because one of the other things I had to do to it when I got it was I had to move the frog forward because it was set too far back. If you recall in some of my previous videos, we talk about how you can have your frog too far back. So I don't want to put a lot of down pressure because I want to kind of evaluate if it's pulling itself to task, which for the most part it is. So I'm suspecting that if the person went through the effort to polish the cheeks that much, that possibly they did something with the sole as well. And so I will test it for flat. I will make whatever adjustments are necessary. And away we go. If you have any questions on how you know you can be assured of getting what you expect on eBay or Craigslist or whatever some of the new ones are called, your neighbor, backyard, next door, whatever they're called, leave me a question down in the comment section. But as for right now, this is working well enough to be called a jack plane. Taking perfect shavings. I would have no qualms in doing jointing or flattening a tabletop with this right now, out of the box. See that? Remember I talk about the slightly feathered edge? This could use just a little bit more camber if I want to use it as a smoother. That's it for now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, or comments, of course. And like, subscribe, share. Thanks for being here. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to the channel. You head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.